Welcome students. This is a PPT of stress. We have stress in intermediate and degree first semester and third semester you have stress. It is useful for all the students. First of all, we have to know what is a word stress. In the previous video, we have seen that a word is divided into syllables, but all syllables in the word should not be pronounced with equal pitch. One of the syllables in a word stands prominent in comparison with the others. Prominent means important. One of the syllables in a word stands important in comparison with the others. When you listen to the word in the syllable, it must be heard stronger, louder and longer. In other words, that prominent syllable is uttered louder than the other ones. That is called stress or word stress. When you took the word communication, the syllable CA is heard stronger, louder, longer. So, it carries the primary stress which is shown with the small vertical bar. Representation of the word stress in speech and writing. We use strong beat force, energy or even a long vowel to sound them. So the words in English are said with stress on one or two syllables. Those syllables are called stress of the syllables. Stress is two types. First one is primary stress. When you listen to the word communication, the syllable CA is heard stronger, louder and longer. Communication have 5 syllables: come, you, ni, ke, shun. Of the 5 syllables in the word, this syllable CA is loudest, strongest and so carries the primary stress, which is shown with a small vertical bar above and before the syllable as in the communication. Secondary stress. What is secondary stress? If we observe carefully, you will notice the syllable ju to is heard a little louder and stronger when compared to the other syllables except CA in the word. So, it receives the secondary stress was shown with a small vertical bar. Below and before the syllable is communication. Importance of word stress. Observe these sentences and listen to them with a focus on stressed words. First sentence, he is considered an important member of the team. Second sentence, he is considered an important member of the team. The second sentence carries the stress in the word important on the first syllable, which sounds important and thus gives a negative meaning that he is incapable member. Stress in compounds. A word consists of two independent words functioning together as one word. In the compound words like notebook with two nouns, normally the first noun is stressed. In all the other cases like four-wheeler, northeast, downgrade, the second word is stressed. Like notebook in the book, four-wheeler in the W, northeast in the E, downgrade in the G. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe English Quest.